This has been broadcasted at the request of the United States government. This broadcast is active as to inform the citizens of the United States of an unknown creature that has been reportedly capturing humans and mutilating them with no hesitation. The creature has been spotted in a public setting in the state of New Jersey. The creature has yet to be identified, however distinguishing features include, roughly 10 feet in height, inhumanly thin torso and appendages, dark gray color all around and produces sounds that can be likened to clicking and scraping. It is highly advised that all citizens in New Jersey and surrounding states seek immediate shelter. Close and lock all doors and windows and do not attempt to apprehend the creature as fatality is almost certain. Further instructions will be released when more information is acquired. The creature has been captured. It is now safe to return to your duties as the American people. Thank you for your patience.